Okay, repairs are underway. That appears to be in good shape under the agitator, so that's good. And here's underneath. Appears to be in really good condition. Pumps out of the way. Motors. This one's got a capacitor, so that one, those wires loose too. Alright, got the wire disconnected. It's supposed to just slide out. Alright. Okay, just cleaning it up now and getting it ready to open up. Okay, I've got the top off. The oil looks good, so I'm going to get this gear out of here. And then I'll get the neutral pack out and put the new one in. The excess oil back in. That was quite difficult to get that little Allen screw out, but I got it finally. Okay, looks like I got all these in place like they're supposed to be. So I put the big gear back on. Okay, I believe that's on there right, and got the spacer back on. So now I'll clean it up and put the sealant around it so I can put the top back on. I'm just cleaning this with rubbing alcohol to make a clean surface for the sealant. That should be good. Let that alcohol dry. And I'm going to put a thin bead of this. And that should make a pretty decent seal. I'm going to touch up a spot or two here and there. Everything else looks pretty good. So I'll put the top back on it. Okay. Alright, next is the new clutch. Okay, I got that little retainer clip in, so that's pretty awesome. That was a little bit of a pain in the dick, but I got it. Now the clip. clip. Alrighty. And this was sitting on top. And now we're ready to go back in the machine. Okay, next step is this guy right here. Take that clip off. Don't think that's quite in there good. Okay, what has happened? The tabs have broke off of the old piece, so I gotta get those out. That's why it wasn't seating properly. Alright. That's how it's supposed to look. See, those two tabs broke off. That one and that one. See there? That's how it's supposed to look. Now, should have a lot more success getting this clip on. Yeah, much better, much better. I'm going to change the motor coupler while I'm in here. Not good. And they are pretty screwed up. Take my little pick again and get those last little bits out. And there they are. Just give it a quick cleaning. agitator's working as it should.